My name is Callie Schmidt, and I'm the owner of the Flower Shop Pryor. I had a friend who had a flower shop, and I started working. Mainly I was a bucket washer, and then I took the horticulture and floral design program at the Tech. And then from there, I did OJT. So they placed me in a shop, and so I've just always worked in a flower shop. I just decided I wanted my own shop. So we opened a flower shop in a bakery in town. We had a little storefront, and so I did that for like 8 years. But I started really branching out into weddings, and for like 2 years, that was my main love. I loved it. And so I networked, and I went and I met a ton of people in Tulsa, and I really just worked myself into finding kind of my people. So we just made the decision to close down the retail, and we built the studio here, and I make every single thing here. People say, oh, that I would not want to do that. It's so stressful. But it's really not. Like the couples that we create for, they're kind and the days go perfect. And because everything is so unique and really curated for that couple, every week is different. I've done, 60 weddings a year. There's never two the same. I really pour my heart into making sure everything is so perfect for them. I love my job every single day. I love it. There's nothing else that I would ever do.